Good morning, everybody! Please excuse my throat. I've had a bit of the old tonsillitis this week. A bit of the old, quite badly actually. Which is in fact very, very early because today I'm off to be a keeper for the day at ZSL WHIPSNADE. I'm so freaking excited. Even though we do get breakfast as part of the experience, because I have been a little under the weather, I am going to fuel myself that extra bit for my journey ahead and make myself something delicious. But I also thought this was a great opportunity to talk to you about something that's not in this room. So let me go and grab it. Come with. So stick with me on this one because I'm feeling like I'm being very useful right now. A few weeks ago, I got sent these. This is the Zyliss Cook range of ultimate non-stick cookware. Because I'm a cook, that's the sort of PO box stuff I get. And they asked if I could test them out and if I wanted to team up to celebrate how awesome they are. Now obviously I was like, we'll see about that, my friends, because what they've got here is a claim that these are the best non-stick pans ever, and that they are so good at non-stick that they don't even need oil or butter. What? So obviously I was like, look, I'll take your pans, I'll give them a try, and we'll see what we're working with. They are so good. I mean, I'm gonna get way too hyped up about a freaking pot and pan here. But I'm sorry, these are insane. And I thought now's quite nap time to show you because I'm gonna make myself something delicious. 3-layer coating, nothing sticks. Nothing, nothing. I loves me a fried egg. Let's do your fried egg with no oil, no butter. Come with me on this exciting 6 AM journey. Fried egg are one of my most hated foods when it comes to pots and pans. That and scrambled egg, you're constantly battling with trying to keep it clear. It just doesn't work, it's a freaking pain in the ass. It looks fake. And scoop. That's unbelievable! Look! You got more stuck to the spatula than it did the bloody pan. Look at it! No oil, no nothing. How good is that? Got some jaws. There you have it. Zyliss Cook. If you want to know more information, make sure you click all those links in the description box. I'm going to wolf this down, hop in the car, and crack on with the day. You ready? You coming with? Come on then, come on then. Check it out. Didn't mean to flash my breast at you, but I'm excited. I wanted to share this with you because this is the coolest thing ever. It shouldn't be that cool, but it is. It's water in a can because ZSL are part of a campaign attempting to eliminate plastic. So if you come to ZSL, there are no plastic bottles available in any drink at all. So it's all in cardboard, aluminium. How good is that? We're getting there, people. We're changing the world. Yes. Chefing for the monkeys. Not monkey, not that. Shouldn't sound winky, are they? No. Yeah, it's all for everyone. We're off to take our creations to go and feed the chimpanzees who are emerging. Oh, they know the routine, don't they?
The big guy at the front is Nicky with his hand out. Nicky.
Oh, Nicky! Yes, 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 yes! Ah! Yeah!
Okay guys, right. We've got two.
Wow, hello. My goodness. Enjoy chopping the veg. We're on mock-out duty. Right, never cleaned a rhino's enclosure before. So, it's really interesting. There's just a rhino next door. There's just a rhino there. Like, so close. Is that just overnight? That is an overnight.
4 o'clock through till this morning. Lovely.
Wow. Touching a rhino.
And then they tell Zululand. Oh, you've got such a soft lip. In that instance, we did interview and we took it off just because obviously it was a bit cool.
We're hiding peanuts. This looks like something out of Jurassic Park. Gonna go get some lunch. Oh my goodness!
You want any pictures, guys? And that's the
Oh my gosh, have you? You're tiny. Hi.
There we go. Put your left hand up.
Oh, what does that sound mean? I don't know if you can appreciate how small she is. Do their heads actually rotate all the way around?
Not all the way. They do that then on screen. It's about 270 degrees. So you can go all the way one way and all the way the other way.
What's the squawk mean? Does it mean like give me more food? Oh, okay.
That's just her noise. You're like a little dog, aren't you, Bru? Yeah. He just loves a good tickle. He's such a sweetie.
This is just the most brilliant day ever. The sun has fully come out now as well. And we're about to cut down some browse to feed the giraffes. So we're just going to help the gardeners out a little bit, do some pruning.
So, hawthorn is what we're going to cut down. So, does everyone know what hawthorn is?
No. You got this. Good effort. I'm going to feed him. I'm going to literally like hold it and let them feed. Oh, that was a good bit.
Feels a little bit like I'm walking on water.
Hi.
Find yourself somewhere to pew on the grass, on a log.
Just sit down.
Any way you can find, basically.
Oh, hello. Oh my god. Hi.
Trying to redo the path in here.
Oh,
so that's why
hi.
it's a little bit
Oh, you're in the camera. Don't take my camera. We're getting some selfie shots. Yeah?
Find yourself
Is that nice?
any way you can bit of like this.
Oh, they're so soft.
Candy.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah, you can sit in that. That's fine.
What is it? Can you see it? Oh my god, this is the best thing ever.
But yeah, so they all get along very well, which is nice.
Don't bite my ear. Don't bite my ear. Wow, 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 wow. What an experience. I can't speak highly enough of that. That was incredible. We did so much, but didn't at any point ever feel like we were being bustled around. Like we just got so much done. Experiences like I fed giraffe, I fed a rhino, I've had squirrel monkeys climbing over me. All these experiences that you just never ever get. That was insane. And to top it off, we get to go into the visitor centre for a slice of cake and a cup of tea. All part of the experience, people. Breakfast, lunch and snack. Unreal, unreal. Not even a slight grip to that steak, is there? Right?